The Magic School Bell. Once upon a time, there was a small school in a quiet town. The children came every morning with happy faces. But this school was special. It had a magic bell. Every day when the bell rang, something wonderful happened. On Monday, the bell gave all the children bright pencils that never broke. On Tuesday, it made books open by themselves and tell stories aloud. On Wednesday, the chalk on the board started to write answers for the teacher. On Thursday, the desks began to sing songs to help the students learn. And on Friday, the bell gave everyone sweet chocolate after class. The children loved their school. They studied hard, but they also laughed a lot. One day, the magic bell disappeared. The children were sad. They thought, without the bell, school will be boring. But the teacher smiled and said, the real magic is not in the bell. The real magic is in your minds, in your hearts, and in your friendship. From that day, the children understood that learning itself was the greatest magic of all. And they all lived happily, learning new things every day.